So, how do you optimize the metadata of your YouTube videos so that your tags look like this and you appear on the first page of keyword search terms irrespective of channel size? Well, that's what we're going to deep dive on right now.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to vidIQ. My name is Rob. If this is your first time here, we are the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time. And today we're looking at how small channels can capitalize on niche areas to have breakthrough videos. If you have any success stories yourselves on this topic, please do let us know in the comments below. In this particular example, we're going to be looking at military backpacks. Let's take a look. So here's the military backpack in question, the 5.11 Rush 24 backpack. Fairly pricey piece of equipment, and it promises to be the most superior storage capacity and organization backpack without slowing you down. That doesn't mean too much to me. Does it mean too much to you? Possibly not. So who is this backpack for? It's for channels like this on YouTube, Wolfpack Woodcraft. They are into outdoor gear, camping and hiking, and as they say in their description, be a part of a pack like-minded people that can learn and grow together. His favourite part of all of this is the gear, so camping gear equipment. And this is where we go back to this backpack. So how can this channel capitalize on this piece of equipment with some content? So I've done a search now on YouTube which is simply Rush 24 and it brings back some of these backpacks. As you can see, 5.11 Rush 24 backpack review. On the vidIQ search information, we can see that the highest views for this type of video is 200,000 views. The average is 56,000 views. So a fairly high view rating there, and some competitive channels. We can see some of the big channels here with 300,000 subscribers, 18,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. But if I continue to scroll down a list, look what we have here. Wolfpack Woodcraft channel, just 1,200 subscribers, but a video about this product with 20,000 views. So they've managed to create content that gets 20 times their subscriber base because they've really niched down on a specific product to deliver a specific answer to users, YouTube viewers, wanting to search this type of content. Let's look at the video itself.
Hey, this is Corey from Wolfpack Woodcraft, and today I got a new pack. It's the 5.11 Rush 24, and I'd like to share what I think it can do for me and what I think it can do for you. So stay tuned.
So thank you Wolfpack Woodcraft, an excellent introduction to your video. It tells you exactly what it's going to be about and why it will help us, and it's all done in the first 20 seconds with your intro splash screen and value proposition. Come join the pack. So why is this video well optimized? Well, we can already see from the video optimization checklist here that literally all the boxes are ticked. The title length is good, although it could be some more keywords in there. Tag length is good, descriptions are good. You've added cards and end screens, and you've also engaged with your audience by pinning comments and hearting them. It's even better news on the video tags here, where we can see some really specific keywords that are being used, and these are the ones that are being ranked. 5.11 Rush 24 version 2, new Rush 24 version, Rush 24 backpack, 5.11 version 2. All of these similar sounding keywords reinforced and repeated in slightly different ways, and as you can see, these are the keywords that are ranking specifically, which have enabled Wolfpack Woodcraft to get some rankings on some highly searched terms. So these are the fundamentals as to why this video has been successful. We can also see in the description, he's repeated some of the keywords again, talking about the 5.11 Rush 24 version. So congratulations at Wolfpack Woodcraft. You've created content you're passionate about, hiking and camping equipment. You've created a video on something that was underserved by the YouTube video creator community, or you created content that better serves that community than any other video creator. You're punching above your weight for a particular keyword. So what should you do next? Capitalize on that keyword. And this is how Wolfpack Woodcraft did just that. This is a search for Rush 72, presumably the next backpack in the line. And if we look at the search terms, it has very few actual search terms, 1,500 per month. The highest views, however, 1.2 million, average views 118,000 views. So there is certainly potential in this keyword. And again, at the top, we can see channels with 10,000 subscribers, 42,000 subscribers. So big channels are certainly concentrating on this product. But if we search down the list again a little bit, here we have Wolfpack Woodcraft once again punching above their weight. 1,000 subscribers and a video with 4,000 views, so 4x the view size compared to subscribers. Let's have a look at this video in detail.
Alright, so I've been on YouTube for a year now, and one of my best performing videos is on my Rush 24 backpack. This is the version 2, and even with that being my most successful video, you guys see these bags in the background of other videos of mine, and you're constantly asking, how's the bag holding up? What do I think about it now that I've been using it? A lot of you know that I have purchased its older brother, the Rush 72. And so in this video, I want to compare the two. I want to show you what the real big differences are, what the 72 has to offer that the 24 doesn't, and also what I think of these packs now that I've used them for almost a whole year now. So stay tuned.
What I love about the introduction to this video is that the video creator has acknowledged two things. That YouTube told him your previous video was good, and that the audience who watches his content is asking for more content just like this. So that's now what he's serving to his audience and YouTube, and he's been rewarded for it. Now, as for optimization, take a look at this. I don't think I've seen a more specific, focused, and ranked set of tags on any video ever. And it's all about this one particular product, Rush 24 and Rush 72, these backpacks. So you can see Rush 24 backpack, 511 Rush 24 versus Rush 72 backpack, Rush 24 511, 511 Rush 72, all very specific keywords. If we look back at his previous video, we can see evidence of similar tags, but we've also got these big ticket ones such as camping, survival, pack, backpacking, keywords that maybe this video creator is going to have no impact with because they are high volume search terms when a channel has 1,000 subscribers. So by focusing on these keywords, he has an even better chance of YouTube correctly categorizing this video and serving it to the right audience. Now, this video currently only is 2 months old. It already has 4,700 views, and from the historical data we can see on the vidIQ scorecard, these views are starting to ramp up. Slowly but surely, that graph is starting to climb up, the hockey stick effect. So, Wolfpack Woodcraft, it looks as if you have a second evergreen piece of content on Rush backpacks. So let's audit the Wolfpack Woodcraft channel a little more, and this is what you can do on your channel by sorting videos by most popular. You can see which videos get far more views than subscribers. In other words, YouTube has deemed your content shareable with a wider audience much beyond your core subscribers. And we can see the 2 backpack ones here in the top 5. But there may also be an opportunity to do more videos on this particular product here, the Mora Garberg knife versus the Mora Bushcraft Black. We drill deeper into this video, and again, it's expertly optimized with some very focused keywords. So it doesn't matter if you're covering videos on camping equipment, politics, beauty products, gaming. You're passionate about that content, and you should be able to drill down into niches where you think you can provide the best video content than any other video creator and answer questions that haven't been answered better than anyone else, and it gives you an opportunity to reach a wider audience irrespective of your channel size. It allows you to punch above your weight. There's a big question circling around the YouTube universe at the moment, and that's whether video tags matter anymore. The answer is they probably matter much less than they used to, but they do still matter. When you're a small channel looking for any marginal edge, optimizing your videos is where you can jump ahead of the crowd, as we've seen in the example in this video. If you enjoyed this video and want me to do more deep dives, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, subscribe to vidIQ for a lot more content just like this. Enjoy the rest of your video making day. Bye for now.